Hello, Mario. In this video, I'm going to calculate an alignment from my previous video using AUTOCAD. Show how you could do that in AUTOCAD, and this sort of hopefully strengthens or reiterates a point that when you're drawing in AUTOCAD, sometimes it pays to actually calculate things out manually, just to know that you've got them right and that your drawing is correct, because we pay so much emphasis on our drawings and the correctness of it. And with AUTOCAD, you move ahead so quickly. It's if you do make a mistake, it's sort of like knitting. You have to unpick everything back to where you made the mistake and come forward again. So it's very reassuring to have calculations that show what it is you're going to do. So this is the drawing. This is the drawing that I'm going to be working with here. Here's the answer here, and I'm just going to reduce that down just so that we can have a look and see how things are going from time to time. So I'm going to go to a new situation here, and let's just start drawing. Let's get that drawing back up here. That's not it. Here it is here, and get rid of that one. Okay, so the first thing we've got to do is just try to draw it. So 48 degrees 2310, 81.131. That's the total distance. So let's just put that over there like that, and so let's just draw a line. So here's our line here, and I'll possibly just need to get this here back smaller so that I can share the screen with that there. So that's 48 23 10. Let's come back here. Okay, so let's just draw a line there like that. Now that's use the chevron. That's what I use. 48 degrees 23 minutes 10 seconds. Enter. Make sure we've got that angle override, and that's going 81.131. 81.131. That's enter in there. Let's do the next one now. We'll have to just come back over to here. Right, and that's going to be, use the chevron there again, and that's going to be 81 degrees, D for degrees, 58 minutes 50. Okay, put that in there. Make sure you've got the angle override, and the distance for that one is 87.614. And then finally, we'll need to just go back here. 21. Oops, haven't quite. 21:04:30. Perhaps we can. 21:04:30 59,398. So let's just go here. 21 degrees 03:30. Oops. 59,398. 59.398. Enter. Okay. So let's just check that we've got everything looking sweet there. So, oops, need my properties here. Oh, there they are there, covering up everything. Okay, let's just put them over there. So 48 23 10, which should be this 48, 23, 10, 81, 131. That's all good. And this one here, 81, 58, 50, 87, 614. Yep. And then finally this one here. Okay, that's 2104. Oh, 03. That should be 0430. So let's just go delete that there and line. Okay, 21 degrees 0430. Okay, and that's distance there is 59.398, 59.398. Okay, so let's just check we've got that all good. 59.398. Good. Now this circle here is a radius 70 and 50. So I'm just going to bump this up to here. Z enter, E enter. Okay, so to draw that, that's a 70 radius. So I'm just going to go offset, enter 70. Okay, put that in there like that. Bang, 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 bang. And then I'm just going to draw a line from there through to there, making sure, yeah, that's at right angles. That's what we want. And then I'm going to draw a line from here. Do we get it at right angles? There's our right angle. Yep. Okay. Oops. Not so good. Delete. So put the line in here. Okay, so that one there, let's just check, that's 48, 23, 10, so that one there's 318, 23, 10, this one's 81, 58, 50, so that's 351, 58, 50, I think this, so those can come out of there, delete, and then we'll put these one in here, they're 50, so offset enter 50, and it goes there like that, there like that. Okay, line enter. That's that one in, and line enter. This one here in. Okay. 1110430, 210430, 815850, 1715850. So right, so let's put in the circles. C enter. Oops. C enter. And that's 70. Okay, and this one's 50. C enter. 50. Okay, let's trim them out. TR for trim. Trim to this line here and to this line here. Not working. Let's get back to basics. Trim enter. Trim to that line and to that line. Oops, I think I might need my select enter and then take out that. Okay. Trim. Let's select both of these. No, not working. TR, enter, select those, enter, there like that. Okay, now let's just get those answers back up there, or our calculations, just see what we got. Oops, bring this back down again here. Now we can see in here that for that chord length there, we've got a distance of arc length 41043, and I calculated it there 41043. There it is there, 41043. So that's pretty good. And then you can see this one here, arc length there is 53150, and we calculated it 53150. So that's all very good. What I can do now is just to put these line, I want to probably keep that there, so I'm just going to go line, enter, and just draw a line from there to there. Okay, and then I'm just going to draw a line from here to here. Okay, and then I'm going to draw a line from there to there, and we'll look at those lengths as we go. So that length there, you can see 60 more or less. Okay, that's pretty good. This length here, we want that line there, and that's 37087, which is what 086. So pretty good, and just a little bit of rounding there. And then finally this one here, 59398, and what did we get there? I don't think I've calculated that one. Oh, 59, that's the total, not what we wanted. We actually want that one there, which is 30.001, which I think I've calculated. Oh, I may not have calculated, but I've got 221.280 as my total length there. I can't see quite where I've calculated that one, but it would be 59398 minus 29397. Okay, so now what we want to do is to put in the little things, and the way that we can do that is a number of ways. We could draw a polyline, but I'm going to go with polyline edit, and I'm going to go with a multiple polyline, and I'm going to select some objects. So I'm going to select that one there, that line there. I'm going to select this chord here. I'm going to select this line here, this chord, and oh, hang on, I think I need to just turn these. Okay, so I'm going to select that line there, that top one. Yes, I'm going to select this chord here. I'm going to select this line here. Yes, and then I'm going to select this line here. Okay, and then I'm going to enter. That's my objects. Yes, I want to convert them to a polyline, and I want to join them all. Join. Okay, and the fuzz distance I want is 0. Okay, and they're all added to the polyline. So now we have the polyline there, and if we look in here, hopefully, oops, I did have the polyline. Where's the polyline? There's our polyline there. We've selected, and if we look at our length of it, it's 221.28. Or 281 or 28, so within a millimetre, a little bit surrounding error. So that's everything all there is pretty good. Now the other thing we want to do is we want to put the points at every 20 meters along the line. So what we're going to do is just use this little thing here, which is home, and we're going to use draw, and this one here, which is measure, okay, and we select the polyline, and we say specify the length, which is 20, enter, okay. Now, and then I'm going to turn on my points, DDP type, and we'll turn on this point here. Okay, and so there's our little, all the points along the polyline, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220. Noting, and then we can add other important points if we wanted to. We can go here and we can go draw. Now which one is it? There's one here which is multiple points, that one there. So probably want to point at the end. This is an important point here, so we would put a point there, which we can work out the chainage of, obviously, or we've done that thing. Want a point there, okay, and here. So these would be all key points on our alignment, and here that one actually works out exactly as 60, and obviously one at the start. And then we can push RE, enter, and that just regenerates those points. RE makes them all the same size, which can be a little bit helpful. So there you are. We have managed to sort out the alignment there and put all the 20-meter little intervals on there, as well as we've checked that it agrees with what we calculated, which is always going to be pretty handy. And yeah, so there it is, how we can sort out alignments both by calculating them and by drawing them very accurately in AutoCAD. So good luck with that. Cheers. See you.